A juror in the murder case against David Vesey has written to lawyers in the case saying that jurors were poised to vote 11-1 for acquittal before the case ended in a mistrial in December. We spoke to Vesey about this new development today.
I found out about this after the holidays. Mike had called me and just gave me an update. He was like, I had heard from the lead foreman what happened at the trial and what the jurors were, I guess, leaning to, or whatever their decision was. How many do you think were in on your behalf? And I was just sitting there, I'm thinking, I was 8-4, maybe. That's what I thought, you know. And he goes, no, it was 11-1. If this one juror had done what she was told, I'd probably be a free man right now. I could finally go home and say goodbye to my daughter, who I still haven't been able to, and it's been 2 years now. Well, actually 2 years on the 13th of this month.
You still miss her, don't
How can you? Yeah. Hell yeah, I miss her. There's not a day that doesn't go by I don't think about her. Still.
Do you feel vindicated by the fact?
No, I mean, I don't really feel vindicated. I mean, from the very beginning, I've told everybody I didn't do anything to hurt my daughter.
If you can't obey the judge's order every day to not look at the TV, not research anything on the internet, if you can't obey that, I wouldn't put a lot of weight in her opinion. If she can't follow the judge's instructions on that, what would lead me to believe, or anyone believe, that she could follow the law in the jury deliberations? So the evidence wasn't presented in court that was influencing her decision. It was clearly whatever she was researching on the internet, which is very vague, even to this day. The state has, they prosecute people at their discretion. But there comes a point when the circumstances obligate them to drop the charges, and we think we're there.
Right. Basically, I've missed everything. I mean, from February 13th, 07, I was yanked away from everybody. I was yanked away from my daughter, my wife. I lost the Navy. 20 years, almost 20 years in the Navy. You know, what I've gone through, it's amazing. You know, it's hard, very hard. You know, every day you wake up and you wake up and you know you still got a trial. Like right now, I know I still got another trial, and I could end up being put away for the rest of my life. And I sit there and I'm like, well, wait a minute, I just did almost 20 years serving this country, and now they're trying to put me away for the rest of my life for something I didn't even do.
For more details, see my report in Wednesday's Times-Union. For Jacksonville.com, this is Paul Pinkham.